Here she comes. Dayton and Piper are coming in to see their baby brother.
Kiss on the forehead. Oh. Does he look like you? Yeah.
Oh, that's a sweet kiss, Peyton. Piper, you want to see your brother?
Look who Nana has.
There's your brother.
That's Parker's.
Parker,
You finally get to see him.
What do you think?
She wants Nana.
She'll switch. She'll eat. He's been doing a good job at eating.
Good.
Look, that's your baby brother.
She's so protective of me.
No, she has
Nana.
seen Nana.
I know, that's what I'm saying. She wants a Nana.
He's been doing a great job.
Good boy.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, how was your day?
What do you think?
I want to hear how your day was. Was it good?
Here, Ange, you